Hi guys, good day. Tara, unbox tayo. What we got here is the Senin Studio Spirited Away. Bali, ito yung Ogino Chihiro and No Face Man resin model. Okay, so what we got here now is the backdrop. Okay, check natin. Oh, ang cool. Ang ganda ng backdrop, oh. Ang solid. And not just one, bali back to back yung backdrop niya. So it's up to you kung anong backdrop yung matripan mo. Back pa more. Okay, next, check natin yung mismong resin. To be honest, hindi ko pa rin to napanood, yung mismong movie nito. So, maybe next time panoorin ko. Alright, tara, assemble na natin. First is the base. As you can see, para siyang wooden texture. Okay, next, the figure of Chihiro Ogino. Now we got No Face Man. Guys, ang ganda ng quality ng No Face Man din. Ang bigat ng item. And we got here the few accessories. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ito ilalagay. Okay, bali itong accessories pala nilalagay ito sa kamay ni No Face Man. Ito yung isa, and not quite sure kung ano to. And then the other one is the gold. As you can see sa baba, nandyan yung parang mold ng kamay ni No Face Man. Okay, so here's a closer look on our Spirited Away resin statue. For a quick info, Spirited Away was written by Hayao Miyazaki. Also, Spirited Away won the 75th Oscars for Best Animated Feature. This was on 2003. Overall, I can say na ang ganda ng quality nung pagkakagawa ng mold niya, including yung color quality, yung paint job. Shoutout din pala sa Resin Collectible Figures Philippines for this item. Yung overall character likeliness niya is really outstanding. Okay, so itry din natin yung isang backdrop. This resin figure is really a magnificent piece. Yung details niya and yung overall paint quality is really amazing. One thing I noticed is yung lower portion ni No Face Man is quite luminous or transparent. I think much better kung meron siyang light effect parang ganito. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching this short unboxing and review video.